Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily move Steam games to another hard drive. Let's begin. First, open your Steam client. Make sure you are logged into the correct account, alright? Then over here on the top left, click on Steam, then go to Settings. Scroll down until you see the section Storage. Here you can see every single game that has been installed on your Windows. Now, first click on this portion. You will see that we have local drive C. If you want another folder path, you can click on add drive, or what I mean is if you want another drive or a specific folder, click on it. You should be able to have the option to select any folder you want. Then once you have successfully modified everything, you should be able to click on here on the right side, check mark, and then click on move. All right. So it will show in here that if you would like to confirm to move these files to a specific folder, just go ahead, confirm. It might take a few minutes. And once done, then you should be able to notice that all of your files should now be on that specific folder. You can double check on your file explorer as well. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.